You guys, it's me and I'm so excited for today's video. We're decorating for Halloween. I have my Days to Halloween sign that I painted like a couple of years ago. It's like chalkboard paint. I love it so much. We got this and these and that, and it should be some fun. Okay guys, and we're with chat. I'm officially ready. We have these 3 boxes. Ignore the iguana cage. He's being a little pain in the butt. We just brought him inside from being outside for like 5 months, so he's readjusting. That's his cage. But all the Halloween decorations, like we have this super cute light. But I don't even know if it works anymore, but we have a light bulb for it. Let's see, does it work? Stand by. It doesn't work. I will fix it and I will get it running by the end of this video. Okay, so you guys are now going to see a time lapse of me unpacking and putting some things, figuring out what everything is. Okay, ready? So, I have added on a cape, as you guys probably saw. So far, I have this Gone Hunting, because Supernatural is like one of our favorite shows right now. We have Frankenstein. He used to dance, but he's missing a hand, and his batteries are dead. Other than that, we're going out here. Oh, that color change. We have this, Stopping for a Spell, which I think is kind of fitting, because I love dressing up like a witch. Hold on. This is so yellow. Okay. So then we're heading over here. There's some music going, so don't mind that. We have this pumpkin, which is for candles. These 3, which has this skull, this, and this. These will be going to my room. Over here, we have this really cool like crystal type skull that used to light up. I don't know if it does anymore. No. So we have this crystal skull. We have this spooky sign. We have this puppet. I think it's a gargoyle type thing in this really cute bucket. And then we have this little guy. From there, we have a little skeleton man. And at night, I'll try and show you. He glows in the dark. And I found this, which is probably terrifying to some of you. Watch. I love it. Okay. That's about all I have done right now. I will check back in on you guys in a couple minutes with some new stuff. Look how cute this is. Also love that lit. That looks like it's a lit. Holy crap. Like, I painted my nails for this. Hey guys, so it's a while later. Focus on me, not out the door. So it looks like our candle's glowing. I love it. So basically, what you just saw is we have the bottom shelf, which is kind of like our little decorative light up houses. They're so cute. We have those and some pumpkins, and then the second shelf we have pumpkins and cats and pumpkins because they're cute. And then the top shelf is something special I wanted to do this year. And let me flip it around. This shelf long story short, is a Dia de los Muertos type shelf where basically it displays some of the family members we've lost over the last couple of years and kind of like gives them, honors their memory throughout the month. So then we're in front of the TV now. Here's our TV. We have this adorable little pumpkin candle, this little ghost candle. And you have this little guy who we have our alley cat who meows and moves. We have this little guy. I'm not sure if he works, but if he does, cool. Okay, no, his battery just died. He thinks I want candy though. Then we got this really cute little candle. We don't normally put much on our table because cats get up there and we don't want them catching their tails on fire. Then we have Witchy, my favorite stuffed animal from Halloween. She's just so cute, look at her. So this is Witchy. She's gonna get our rocking chair. Then we have Skimpy, who's gonna sit right here because he's a little broken, and that's okay. You guys have seen this, but I hung this up here, which I thought was really cool. Just look at that. Take these to my room now. We go in my room. So this is what my room looks like. This is where I basically am going to be filming the rest of the month, starting tomorrow. But yeah, so I have my Halloween sign that I designed. It's chalkboard, so like I can go and erase it, just like that. So it says how many days till Halloween. We keep a little pumpkin I painted in the candy corn. Then, like I said, we have the candle, which are right here. We have this pumpkin, which I need to switch out the light bulb, but then he's gonna work when I film. And then finally, we have Iggy the rainbow iguana, and he has a little cape that matches mine. So I just set up these really pretty colored lights for the Dia de los Muertos shelf, which I really, really like now. Go for that. Look! Isn't that so cute? And then last thing here is this picture of me. I'm kidding. It's just one of those really funny pictures where you move, it changes the way it looks. So yeah. The last place I have to show you is outside. Hello. I'm almost done for your reveal. You get this? Can you focus? Kinda. Oh, there we go. We got the pumpkin spinny thingy. What are they called? You don't know? Okay. We got the pumpkin. Then we have the bat, which I think is super cute, but he kind of snapped at the bottom. Now he's all nice and short. Then down to the front garden. I hope you guys will see my feet because I do this often. Okay. First one we have is right here. He glows in the dark and he has a boo sign. He's so cute. I love it. We've had him forever. So he just greets you when you walk up the stairs with you. And then we're climbing through the garden, because I'm that person. We have cute little pumpkin. And again, so cute. That's it for me decorating my house. I will show you guys some more updates tomorrow in tomorrow's video. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, I'm doing videos every day of October, so you should definitely hit the notification bell so you're notified every day then when they go live. Other than that, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and on Twitter and Instagram at Emily Hester NCS or BT Girl Boss Pod for the podcast. A new episode podcast comes out Wednesday. I am just so excited. Yeah, I'll get back to you later.